What's going on, guys? Back at it again. This time we're gonna do a little bit of maintenance on the vet. I've been having some issues with the clutch, so I'm about to check actually change out the clutch oil, the fluid. So I'm gonna do that, and let's see what we find. Let's see if it makes a difference, if it helps, because my clutch has been sticking like halfway. So the pedal won't come all the way out every time like I do a hard launch or stuff like that, and it'll smoke up my clutch. So I know it's already maybe in towards the end of its life. So we'll see what we can do just to kind of push it a little more, and before I put a new clutch on, because there's a lot of work for a new clutch on this car. So we'll see what we can find, and we'll see if we can hook better, if the car can actually launch a bit better without slipping, so and smoking on my clutch. So we'll see what we come across, because that day at the track I wasn't doing very well, man. I smoked out my clutch on my second run, and the first one I was trying to get a nice hit, but I couldn't. It kind of bogged on me because I didn't give it enough gas, and hey, it is what it is. Practice makes perfection, so we'll get it. Let's get into it. All right, so I purchased some brake fluid, DOT4, for it, and upon opening the cap, look what we came across. No kind of fucking fluid in there. So I should have checked everything. I need to be on top of this. All right, so let me fill it up and we'll go from there. That thing is dirty. Yep, there it goes. Look at that. All the air coming out. All right, let's go pump the clutch 30 times. Yeah, we'll pump it 30 times, and all right, there it goes. After that, we're gonna get a syringe. We'll take out all that nasty fluid. I have one here. Ta-da! Get all that old nasty oil out and continue the process. We'll do it about 5 times. Oh, that thing's nasty. Yeah, look at that. God. Some nasty particles in there. Let me take out as much oil as I can, and we're gonna go ahead and clean out the little reservoir as well. That thing is nasty. Okay. God, that thing's nasty, filthy. All right, put some more in there. See if it gets cleaner. It should. All right, let's do it again. All right. Check it again. Ooh, wait. That thing is nasty. See how many times this takes until we get it clear. Look at that oil. All right, guys, so I finally got everything out. Look what it looks like right there. It's got like still some little specks in there and stuff, but it's way cleaner than before. So here's the how it looked before. Look how dirty that thing was after I put fluid in there. Look at that. That thing was so dirty. Let's see what it does. I mean, hopefully it makes a difference, and I'll keep you guys posted on the next videos coming up. So while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and check everything else, and why not, I'll do a cold start for you guys, see how it sounds. Cold start for you guys, and that's what it sounds like whenever it's on E. So it's on E right now. It starts a bit rough, but it still sounds good though. It sounds good once it warms up. So that's it right there. Hope this helps you guys out, and if you're running the similar problem I am, hopefully this will solve the issue. So we'll see. We'll run it, keep you guys updated. Appreciate you guys for subscribing, for liking, for sharing, for all the support, and y'all stay tuned for more videos. Catch you on the next one.